Right behind me is the largest passenger port in the world, the Port of Miami. Interestingly, right over the bow of the ship behind me is our office building. And not only does that represent our office, but the Port of Miami is our office also. Our clientele comes from almost every country in the world, whether you're talking about passengers or crew members. We have clients that come from every continent, every country, and not only are they people who have sailed into and out of the Port of Miami, but other ports as well. We deal with all the major ports in the U.S. and throughout the world. We're dealing with people who've been traumatized not only physically but mentally. They suffer psychologically in terrible ways, and that's why it's important that we have a team that is tuned into those particular problems. And we do the best we can to help people, not only from a legal point of view, but to give them a goal or a target so they have something to focus on about making their lives better. It costs the industry more to do it wrong than to do it right. So once they figure that out, they start doing things the right way. And I've seen that slowly happen over a period of decades. Not a period of weeks or months or years, but decades. And the number of accidents and injuries on board these cruise ships has gone down, in my mind, dramatically. Although what we have today is we have a huge increase in the number of crimes and sexual assaults, rapes, both of men and women, young and old. And it's become, in my mind, a terrible situation. So that's one of our main focuses that we're working on at this time. This is all about preservation, preserving people's rights, their livelihoods, their future, their ability to cope with the problems that they have due to serious personal injuries. I realize you can't turn back the clock, but we do the next best thing, and that's try to put people back where they were, at least financially, and to compensate them for what they've been through.